Bye.
This is mission. Don't let Hannah's parents see me with her jacket. She eats too much cookies, fatty. Gonna zip her up the jacket.
Zip it up.
That's called boob protection.
You look like a gangster.
And I'm not really this fat. Yes, you are. No. You want a cookie,
Yes,
Kaylee?
she is.
You want a cookie? No. Say yes. Say yes. I don't like cookies. Yes, you do. Chocolate chip. Whoa.
Okay, let's go to my mom's room.
Okay, let's go to the. Dun.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Anna.
Can I go to the inn?
You know you're a pain in the butt.
I'm sorry, but can I go?
Can I knock this first?
Yeah, it's hot.
That's cute.
Can I have that pink one?
Yeah, you can go to the end. But I want to know what you're doing and who you're doing this with.
Joyce, Hannah, Alicia, Kayleen, Lily, if they want to. I don't care.
Are you sad all your stuff's gone?
Yeah, kind of.
Stop filming
Not
me.
really.
Okay,
No.
well, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going. What? A guitar?
An ID card.
Oh, yeah, I have my ID card.
She's gotta go somewhere.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Kayleen walking out of the house. Run! Run! It's raining! Okay, switch me jackets. Girl, get over here.